If you're looking for a budget laptop that just works, no fancy extras, no confusion, then the ASUS Chromebook Plus CX14 might be exactly what you need. It's lightweight, surprisingly capable, and built for anyone who just wants to get things done without spending over $400. But before you hit that buy button, there are a few things you really need to know. Because while this Chromebook nails the essentials, it also has some compromises that might make you think twice. Now, when it comes to design, the CX14 keeps things simple. The body is entirely plastic, which makes it flexible, literally. The lid bends a bit and the keyboard deck gives under pressure. But for a laptop that costs under $300 on sale, that's not shocking. It feels more like a solid student laptop than a premium machine, and that's okay. It's around 3 pounds in weight and 0.78 inches thick, so it's portable enough for everyday use. The best part? The plastic doesn't get cold or leave fingerprints like metal laptops do. You can get it in blue, silver, or black, all with a minimalist, clean aesthetic that looks much pricier than it is. When it comes to performance, this is where the Chromebook Plus CX14 surprises most people. It runs on the Intel Core 3 N395 processor, paired with 8 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of storage. For a Chromebook, that's more than enough. The Chrome OS interface keeps everything smooth. Web browsing, note-taking, streaming, and even multitasking with a few apps open. You won't be editing videos or running heavy design software here, but for productivity and study use, it's excellent for the price. Now, let's talk about the keyboard and touchpad. Typing feels fine for short bursts, but the keys are a bit loose. Not mushy, just not as firm as you'd expect. You might make a few typing errors if you're used to mechanical keyboards. The touchpad, on the other hand, is small and a bit noisy. It works, but it's not great for quiet environments like libraries. Still, it gets the job done, and if you're using an external mouse, you won't even notice the touchpad's flaws. When it comes to the display and audio, the CX14 comes with a 24-inch Full HD IPS panel, running at 60 Hz. The colors are decent, but the contrast is a little flat. Blacks look more like dark gray. Brightness is rated at 300 nits, though it feels slightly dimmer in real-world use. Audio-wise, you get 2 downward-firing speakers that sound okay for casual watching or online classes, but if you're planning movie nights or music sessions, plug in your headphones. The sound gets distorted at higher volumes. Now let's talk about ports and connectivity, and this is where ASUS actually delivers more than expected. You get 2 USB-C ports, 1 USB-A, an HDMI 1.4B port, and a 3.5mm headphone jack, all neatly placed on the left side. Wireless-wise, it supports Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3, which is more than enough for smooth connectivity. No, it doesn't have Wi-Fi 7, but let's be real, most users won't notice the difference for years. When it comes to battery life, the CX14 runs on a 42 watt-hour battery, giving you around 10 hours of light usage, browsing, documents, or streaming. It's not the longest lasting Chromebook out there, but for a day of casual work or classes, it easily holds up. The ASUS Chromebook Plus CX14 isn't trying to compete with high-end laptops, and that's exactly why it works. It offers smooth Chrome OS performance, a clean design, and great value, especially when it drops to around $279 on sale. If you're a student, a traveler, or just someone who needs a secondary laptop for light work, this one deserves a spot on your shortlist. But if you're after premium build quality, deeper colors, or a better keyboard, you might want to step up to the ASUS Chromebook Plus CX34. Same family, just a bit more power and polish. That's it for today's review. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more honest tech reviews. No fluff, just facts.